Okay, so the given situation is two sides of a triangle measured 27 cm and 10 cm. Write an inequality that represent the range of values for the possible length. What we're going to do, so we're going to apply the formula. So what is the formula? We have A minus C. Tapos, A plus C. So commonly, what is the value of A? Okay, we have 27 minus 10. And then copy. Then 27 plus. Then simplify lang anak. 27 minus 10, 17. And 27 plus 10, 37. Okay, let us find the exact measure or find the exact possible values for the given triangle. Okay. Give me a number greater than 17. 18. Let's start with 18. Tama ba? Okay. And so on up to, sino kinain? Si 30. Meaning, mas mababa kay 37. 36. Okay. This is the answer. The possible, the range of the possible values. And then, pag tinanong, give me at least 5 numbers. Dito, mamimili na lang po kayo dito.